Hello, hello, hello. Jade from Jade's Fluid Art. I'm going to do something different this morning. It's going to be a pour, but not exactly a pour. Just an idea I've got in my head. So I'll just explain it and then I'm probably going to put the music on. So I'm going to pour this white into there for the moment. Big hair. So this is Liquitex titanium white, and this is JBurrows, and I've forgotten the name. My all-time favourite colour. I'll let you know in a minute when it comes back to mind. Paynes grey. There you go. Took me a minute. Right. So I've got this image in my head. I could do it just as an acrylic pour, but I just thought let's try something different. So what I'm going to do is this tux cloth, dip it in here and then dab all across the canvas. This canvas has been pre-painted white. It is a 30x40 inch again. Do you like my big ones? So let's just see how we go. I do want this to blend. I'm just gonna, and because it's pre-painted, it's not going to matter too much if I miss. Bits of the canvas. So that's how I'm going to try and blend it. Alright, I'm really happy with that, just how it is actually. I'm going to leave that to dry, and then I'm going to come back in and do the same again with some silver. I'm hoping it's going to dry with the textures that it's got. That will look really good. So fingers crossed that's how it dries. I don't think it will change at all. There's not a lot of paint on there. Literally just barely covered the surface. Alright, see you when I'm back. Alright, I'm back and I'm going to add some silver. This time I'm just using some cellophane. Just want a really, really light dabbing everywhere. So we'll see. I don't want it fully obvious that there is silver everywhere. Just want it as a light bit of shimmer. Thought that was something, it's nothing. Just working out if I want any more. Just a tiny little bit, I think. A bit more than a tiny bit. Where did I want it? Finished. It's something really simple, but it looks really good. That's the trouble, I could look at all different angles and just continue going. Yeah, really happy with that. Alright, I'll let that dry and then I'll show you the results at the end. Okay, here she is dry. See if I can pick up some sheen from the silver. I'm really happy with it. It's very, very abstract, I think. There. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.